my friends, I got up early this morning to do some gardening and I discovered that I have some wild black raspberry growing in my backyard. So I'm just going to make some quick and easy wild raspberry pancakes and just use up some of these wonderful fruits that I have growing in my backyard. So let's go and get started. So my friends, for this recipe you need some wild black raspberries and a box of any pancake mix, and this is the one that you just add water to, and we're gonna get started with our wild raspberry pancakes. Here we go. Okay, my friends, so we have some wild raspberry that I found just randomly growing in the backyard, my friends. And I'm doing some gardening today, and I thought this is a perfect time to make some black raspberry pancakes. I'm going to show you how I do it. And these are just randomly growing. They're native to where I am, and they just grow wild. But be careful when you're picking these. You're going to, of course, find small insects. You just make sure you wash it nicely and make sure you're not picking something that's poisonous. Okay, so know the area that you're in, and these just randomly grow, as I said. Okay, so for this recipe, I got my bowl here and I got my pancake mix, and we're just using the President's Choice ones. And all you need is 1 cup of mix. I got half a cup here and another half a cup here. Okay, and this is a quick, easy, rustic recipe. So now this recipe just calls for water and the mix. Okay, but what I do like to do to make fluffier pancakes is have some milk and then of course some water. Okay, so I got myself some water here as well, and that's, so you only need 2/3 of a cup of water, my friends, and I got it in here. So let's whisk this around. Simple. If it's too thick, my friend, just add some more water or add some more milk. I'm just going to add a little bit more water and whisk that around.
It's thicken up once it sets a bit.
Right. Okay, and as I said, this is a super easy recipe. And no, I don't put butter in it. And get the children involved in this, my friends. The children would love to go pick wild raspberries and just set them up and do some raspberry pancakes. So the batter is already ready. Okay, so now you get your raspberry and you dump that baby in it. So when you put the raspberry in, you just want to move it around. Of course, it's going to turn purple because that's what it does. And this is what the batter looks like. Okay, so let's go over to the stove, my friends. You don't want to mix that in too much because you don't want them all going to the bottom of the pot. Okay, my friends, my skillet is on the stove and I'm using cast iron before. And from experience, my friends, the first pancakes never turn out right, but that's okay. It's well hot. My raspberries in there, and let's cook up this bad boy. Okay, this takes about 2 minutes or so, my friends, on each side to be cooked. Move around the oil a bit. It looks good already. It smells nice. Okay, so we're gonna wait until there's bubbles forming on the top, and then we're gonna turn our pancakes. Okay, I see some little bit of bubble. I'm going to turn my pancake. Whoop. I told you, my friends, the first one never turns out, but that's okay. We'll just soldier on, right? But look at how beautiful the top looks, my friends. That's what we're looking for. Nice, beautiful golden brown top. Okay. Okay, so we'll just go to this another minute, and then I'm going to take it off. Let it stay there and cook through. Then we'll just do another one and I'll show you what I pair it with. Okay, my friends, I'm going to take it off. I'm going to try another one. Get my oil in. Lightly grease the pan, my friends. Lightly grease the pan. Oops. And then I'm going to put one more. That looks lovely. Oh, that just looks lovely, my friends. Maybe we can get one more in. Whoa, I hope you guys saw that. That's a nice flip. You see how beautiful that one is? And look at this first one that I did. Oh my gosh, look at all that black raspberry just soaking through. This would be a nice meal for campfire, eh, my friends? If you're going camping this year, great, easy. Pick some raspberry and yeah, do some pancakes in a cast iron pot, of course. Okay. So here it is, my friends. My pancake is all ready. It's a wild black raspberry pancakes, and just pick the berries, and you know we're gonna try it. How does it taste? Yeah, is it delicious? I'm glad to hear that.
Delicious, delicious.
Yeah. Okay, and I've paired it with some scrambled egg, my friends, with a little bit of parsley on top. It looks beautiful, and I was told that it's delicious. Thank you for watching, my friends, and remember, regardless of where you begin, you can end with something better.